Module 7, Week 1 Assessment, Reading, Pierre Delamere. Read the passage, show your strategies, and answer the questions. Question number 1. Read the sentence from paragraph 1. Why he crossed that great blue carpet so many times, he just about wore a hole in it. What does the figurative language in this sentence help the reader understand about Pierre? The blue carpet is talking about the ocean. The blue carpet is talking about the ocean and just about wore a hole in it. What could that possibly mean? A, he is famous as a sailor all over the world. B, he is growing weary, tired of traveling the ocean. C, he has a great deal of experience sailing the ocean. D, he has been traveling the world since he was a baby. Question 2. Read the sentence from paragraph 3. Thank you. Every time Pierre pulled the wrong rope or raised the wrong sail, he turned red as a garden tomato. What does turn red as a garden tomato in this sentence show about Pierre's feelings? So if he is turning red, what does that show about his feelings? A, he is angry. B, he is brave. C, he is excited. D, he is ashamed. For number 2, do not pick A. For number 2, do not pick A. Question number 3. Read the sentence from paragraph 4. Thank you. 2 enormous yellow eyes rose from the water and glared at the ship before disappearing below the surface. Read the analogy, which we've been working on analogies in our do nows. Terror is to calm, as enormous is to. Which word best completes the analogy? A, tiny. B, clear. C, silent. D, shiny. So first you have to figure out how are terror and calm related, and then you're going to do that same relation for the next set of words. Number 4, read the sentence from paragraph 6. You see, Pierre knew the kraken wouldn't bite the hand that fed it. What does wouldn't bite the hand that fed it tells the reader about the kraken? So he's not going to bite the hand that feeds it. A, it will not hurt anyone who helps it. B, it will follow the ship across the ocean. C, it will not eat more fish than it deserves. D, it will help the sailors to catch more fish. Do not pick C for number 4. Do not pick C for number 4. Number 5, suffixes. We've been talking about that in our do nows. Based on the suffix ion, which means act or process of, because we've been talking about that. What does celebration mean in paragraph 6? Thank you. A shelter from harm. B, the bow of a ship. C, fear and wonder. D, praise and joy. Number 6. What does Pierre do to change the other sailors' opinions of him? Opinions. We've talked about fact and opinion this week or last week. A, he learns the difference between bow and stern. B, he makes a deal with the kraken to save the ship. C, he sweetly talks his way onto the crew of the ship. D, he rides all the way to the shore on the back of a whale. Number 7. Tall tales usually have characters who are larger than life and solve problems in an unusual way. Explain how Pierre fits the character type found in Tall Tales. Use details from the story to support your answer.